Hey, love, before your day begins, I invite you to give yourself a moment to arrive. Let your body settle where it is. Feel the support beneath you. Notice the quiet rhythm of your breath. April carries a gentle shift. There's a sense of space becoming available, a little more room inside the body, a little more openness, a little more light. Let yourself meet that slowly. Place your hand over your chest or anywhere that feels grounding and softly ask, where can I allow a little more space today? Let the answer come in its own way. It may feel like a deeper breath. It may feel like a pause before moving. It may feel like letting something be simple. Let that be enough. As you breathe, imagine a soft light entering your space, touching your chest, your shoulders, your face. Warm, steady, gentle. You are allowed to receive your day in this way. You are allowed to open at the pace your body trusts. Let the light come in as slowly as you need. You are here. You are held. And you are ready in your own divine time. Come back to yourself. Everything rearranges from there.